Good morning. Happy Friday. Today I'm gonna talk about the title search, and also I'm gonna talk about the process when you start the process to get the approval through the bank. Normally, on the process to get approval on the bank, it gives you 5 days. You can put up to 10 days. It's the application that you have to fill up to apply for a loan when you go to the bank. When you obviously have a contract on the house and you have to apply. 5 days that normally the contract give you. Sometimes I put 10 because it's my client doesn't, it's not a computer tag, it's not a computer savvy. I know it's gonna take longer to make that application because right now most of the bank or the lender work based on the computer. Okay, so I always ask for at least 10 days. That part is very important because you have to obviously apply to the bank. When you apply to the bank, when they get the application, they order the appraisal. Okay, the appraisal come after your application. If you don't apply, you will not get an appraisal until you apply to the bank. And that is a very important part because as soon as you get the appraisal, you know if you're gonna keep going through with this offer or you're gonna cancel. So another thing I want to talk about is the title search. At that time is about the same time that the title started searching on the title. Okay, the title company start searching on the title of the property. They do that is very important because you're gonna find over there, is there any open permit, is there any violation on the property. So those things are very important to know before closing, obviously, because banks will not approve a loan if you have any violation on any open permit on the property. Okay, so those, at least if you buy cash, even though I will close those permits and violation because that will cost money to the buyer. Okay, so I always put on my contact and on my contracts or my offers that seller has to take care of that before the closing. Seller has to pay for those violation or open permit before the closing. Okay, I had a deal probably a month ago that they have a violation in the property, and it was around $10,000 violation. So they have an insurance that they call title insurance. The buyers that bought the house a long time ago, they didn't know about that violation. So that seller insurance, that buyer insurance cover that violation because it was not captured. They didn't see it when they bought it. So they were no responsible for those violations. So good that they bought the title insurance, that they protect themselves from that. Okay, so my client didn't have to pay for that, so the seller has to pay. So that's what I want to talk to you today. Like always, if you have any question, any concern about what is in your contract, you can contact me at any time. I'm here to guide you, to help you, and it doesn't cost anything. I'm not gonna charge you for that. So you can always contact me at 305-318-3178 on my social media too, Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so any question, I'm here to help you. Bye bye.